What's going on, guys? Your boy here. We are back with our second vlog on the channel. Today is the practice day before my race tomorrow. So today is going to be not as much content as tomorrow. I will check in with you guys tomorrow. But yeah, we are just going in the track right now. I'll show you guys right here. This is Calspeed Raceway, California. Yeah, so we're going to get some practice in, check out the track, and hopefully put down some times. And yeah, I'll check in with you guys when I get to the pits. See you there. What's going on, guys? It's about 1:30 in the afternoon, and we just finished a couple sessions at Calspeed, Fontana, California. And yeah, so we're trying to get on pace right now, making changes to the cart. And yeah, we're just here at Phil Gibor's tent in Fontana, California. And yeah, I'll check in with you guys later because tomorrow is our first race. And I'll see you then. What's going on, guys? It is the day of the race, and I'm about to have my main event. I did a heat and a qualifying, and then a practice really early today, and I really wanted to focus on those, so I couldn't get any content. But I have a bunch of videos and photos that my dad took. So yeah, we placed 13th in the heat, and we placed 13th in qualifying. So we will be starting 13th for the main, unless someone had a penalty or something like that. But yeah, so I'll check in with you guys after my main, and you guys will get some photos soon. So see you there. Okay, it is time for the main event. We got a super cool angle for the GoPro, so I was really happy about that. We made like a little makeshift thing, and so yeah, I'm just pulling out of the pits right here, and yeah, we are starting 13th in the main event. I have a bunch of footage, and we came up with really cool camera angles, so I was really happy about that. And yeah, so here we go. These are just the formation laps. I did, on my heat, on the out lap, I did spin on cold tires, because cold tires on this track are super easy. It's like super slick and super easy to spin with. So yeah, this is just the formation lap. And it doesn't really matter where you're going right now, if you're super far back or whatever. But then we started to grid up at the end here. Yeah, so we were just gridding up behind number 889. I think we were number 13th in qualifying. So yeah, we finished 13th in the heat, so we will place 13th for the main. We weren't that good. We weren't that good this weekend. We weren't that quick, but that's all right. So here we go. This is the start, and everyone goes off. Got a pretty good jump off the line. Not bad. I can't really complain. So this is going to turn 1, and then I got brake checked. A little contact, but nothing. I kind of saved it, and nothing critical. So I was alright. But that opened up the lane for someone else to pass me. So then I kind of stayed behind him for a little while. Number 871. This is still the first lap. Going into the hairpin. Got an okay exit. And then this goes into the carousel. So yeah, so this is the first lap still. I think I dropped back like one position from the start, but that's alright. And then right here, this is a couple laps later. We're coming up to the hairpin again. He got a little bit of a gap on me, but then through the hairpin, they got a really bad exit, the guy in front of me, and then he got held up, and so I made a pass, and it was really close. I almost had contact with the guy. But I was trying to play it safe, so I made a pass right there and took advantage of a mistake from the guy in front of me. So there we go. I'm staying behind this guy in front. We had very similar pace. So yeah. And then a few laps later, we were about the same gap, and the guy behind me was, I think, a little bit quicker, so he was very eager to get by. So coming up to this first section by the pits, I was hit in the back in the main event, and I got spun around and lost a bunch of positions, which was super frustrating because I was actually running well. I think I was in actually 8th at this point. So that was really frustrating. I think there were a couple of wrecks at the beginning, so I was actually able to move up a few spaces. So that was frustrating. But then eventually I caught up to the guys at the back, and then yeah, so I caught up to this guy. I was gonna look for a move here, but I wasn't close enough, so I just wanted to play it safe. But I knew I was quicker, because a few laps later I caught up to him. I probably could have gone for a move there, but I just kept going. And I was getting a little impatient, so I was gonna try to make a move in the hairpin, but I kind of pulled back. But then he got a really bad exit, and we hit, and that was completely my fault. I definitely shouldn't have hit him there. He got a really bad exit, and I kind of just froze. I didn't know what to do. So then we collided, and it was more of a racing accident. So that's really unlucky for him, and that was my fault. But then a few laps later, I cut up the guy in front of him, and then this is actually my teammate, Ro. So yeah, races on the same team as I do, and he wasn't doing too well this race, but that's all right. So I caught up to him, and then we were going around the carousel, and I knew I was gaining on him, so I was a little impatient to get by. I was really just angry from what happened earlier in the race. So yeah, so I had a look right here, but then I pulled back. I didn't want to go for it. But usually I gained a lot of time through that section on him. So then I had a pretty good run onto the straight here. I was trying to lean forward to get some more downforce, and I was looking for a move, but then he cut in, and I just pulled back. No contact was there, which was really lucky for both of us, really, so I didn't destroy my kart or anything. But yeah, there was almost bad contact right there, and so then, yeah, we came out through the hairpin. It was really lucky that we didn't collide, so yeah, I made a lot of mistakes in this race. It was my first race, so I was a little it was a little dicey throughout the 18 laps. But yeah, I was gaining on him again. I got a good exit through the downhill section. So yeah, then we came up to the first corner by the pits, and I always gain on him a lot right there, as you guys can see. And so then, yeah, I had a really good run on him through the straightaway section. He was kind of guarding the middle. I think he was defending a little bit, but I think he might have been unaware that I was there. But I kind of had to stuff it in on him, and I made the pass. He was aware that I was there at the end of the straightaway, so I was able to make the pass. And then it was the white flag near the end. I pointed by my teammate Ryan. I knew he was quicker than me. He qualified second for the main event. So yeah, I knew he was quicker than me on this track. So I pointed him by and let him go. But then this was the final lap, and then checkered flag, and then we came home. I think we took 14th place. I thought we could have made a top 10 if we stayed with the pack, but that's just how racing goes sometimes. And my teammate Isaac won the race, so that was really awesome. But yeah, that's the end of it, and let's get back to the vlog. Hey guys, I just finished my race. We are currently in the car heading back home. It's about an hour and 20 drive, but I just wanted to update you guys before I ended the video. So I was started in 13th at the beginning of the main event, and then I moved up to 9th at the start, and then I got hit eventually after a few laps, and then my car got spun around, so that was really unlucky during the race, so I wasn't able to finish in the top 10. So yeah, I just want to update you guys, and if you guys wanted to see who my sponsors were, I have them linked in the description below, and I'll probably pop up a few images right now of who they are, and yeah, so I'll see you guys next time. Bye.